doesn't mean to be thoughtless. His mind is always somewhere else. I try to make it more practical.
We know you do. I see almost a neutral star. It shines on me from somewhere far away. There it is, here to see. It seems to call to me. Where is this most unusual star? Show it to me so that I can see it. There it is, here to see. It sparkles most unusually. I see a most unusual star. It shines on me from somewhere far away. There it is, here to see. It seems to call to
Michael, where have you been? Do you have any idea what night this is?
Joshua, I thought you left a long time ago to be with the shepherds.
Mother, the star. That one, over there.
Star?
Oh, Michael.
Look at it, Mother. It's not like any star ever was before. I think it speaks to me. Speaks to him. Did you hear that? Now the stars are talking. Talking stars? What was he saying next? What a bother.